So we are in Antigua this morning, just got off the boat. We are taking a trip, and usually you find these little boards at the side that just tell you where you're going, what you're doing, and where you meet. Very often, that's the problem with booking a P&O tour, that you end up stood with hundreds of people. If you book the tour yourself, very often you can pass the crowds and get there earlier. So that's one of the downsides, obviously. It's cheaper if you do it on your own. But we have booked 3 trips, so we'll be coming back to stand in those horrible queues in an hour. We're just going to have a look around Antigua Port, which I know has some good shops because I've been there before, and I saw some bikini runs that I really liked. So just going back to see if those shops are still there and if they're open yet. So in Antigua you have all the fancy shops and the big strip, there's absolutely loads, and then you still have the smaller souvenir shops and that kind of thing. In the main area they are expensive shops with really nice stuff. I once saw a bikini in one of the shops, and then I went online and found it for 1/3 of the price. So they are lovely shops, but they are quite expensive. And the thing with here is you do get a lot of people coming up to you asking you if you want to book a trip, etc. It's one of the busiest and one of the biggest ports, I think, for shopping. So you can hear them behind me. So yeah, it's very busy, loads to buy, loads to do, loads to see.
Looks like a prison compound.
Right, this is your famous taxi driver in Antigua.
Antigua!
Yeah, Antigua!
Shaky. Not the most luxurious of places.
We are at Fort St. James, which I believe the fort's behind me. There's somewhere you can walk to it. Beautiful beach. I'll get my long beach walk here, and because it's a tour booked through P&O, we get sunbeds. Got to pay $2 for the Wi-Fi, but you get a complimentary drink and a parasol, so not too bad. And there's facilities here, and we can buy some lunch, so it looks absolutely gorgeous. One of my favourite things to do, just walk, feet in the water, along beautiful beach. Sun's going behind a cloud, still beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So we booked the tour through P&O, Fort St. James, and full day beach tour. And when we got here, apparently our wristbands didn't give us chairs and an umbrella, so we had to pay another $30 for 2 chairs and an umbrella. So I don't know why P&O sell a tour when you don't get the umbrellas, so I don't know what we paid. I can't remember whether it was like £30 or £50, but that was just for the taxi ride to the beach, which took 5 minutes, which is a bit of a skank. I'll find out how much it was. So we have just walked from right around that corner, and there is another area here that's a bit lively with some music, some sun loungers. It's a bit rocky here, but just as beautiful. It's probably another trip, I imagine. I'll try and find out. There's Queen Mary. They're getting tenders to shore. There's the port's full. Antigua, St. John's. So it is the Tree Beach Club, and they've got free Wi-Fi, beach bar, showers, nicer sun lounges. This might be a better one to do, but again, you can probably do it on your own. Beautiful spot for lunch, playing a bit of reggae at the beach just there. Actual, real reggae, not you be bloody 40, thank God. Horse riding trips go from here as well. Everything happens here. The helicopter rides are going from just behind us. There's a couple of different beach trips to here, and the horses. So you could just get a taxi here and book it all separately. Probably a lot cheaper, a lot easier to get to. And you can come and go as you please. I don't know whether you get the full colour on the video, but it is just beautiful turquoise seas. Aren't we lucky? I mean, some people never travel far from where they live, and we are blessed to be able to do this. Absolutely. Antigua is beautiful. There are 365 beaches in Antigua, and they are all absolutely beautiful. A beach for every day of the year. Top travel tip, these things are bloody amazing. 2 minutes to blow up, 2 minutes to put down, and hours of fun. Put your leg right over it. That's it. That's it now. Shuffle and get your legs back. Over. That's it.
I'm still on it. No, I'm not.
Take two. Oh, sorry. Now.
No, I'm on.
Are you on now? No, shuffle down a bit further so that the thing's behind your neck.
I'm okay as I am, thanks.
He's done it at last.
Come on.
There are many shore excursions available through your cruise company, and we've included a link to some of those available through P&O. You can find it in the description. There's also a link in the description to Viator so you can see all the different trips available.